Welcome to Renos for Pros and Joes. I'm Kendall, and today I am on site at a home remodeling project that we're just wrapping up. Take a look at what this kitchen used to look like. At Renos for Pros and Joes, we provide support for planning, design, and performance of renovation, remodeling, and repair projects. We do renovation tip and strategy videos, as well as hands-on product tool and gear reviews. So if you're interested in renovation, remodeling, and repair, subscribe now because this channel is for you. As a licensed general contractor and real estate agent, I work closely with property owners, including buyers, sellers, and investors, as well as lots of construction trade pros and real estate professionals. And on a daily basis, one of my primary roles is lead problem solver, where I search for and create solutions to problems as they arise in real time. And that's really what renovation, remodeling, and repair is all about. And I'm excited to share my experience with you. I want to simplify the remodeling process and inspire you to be more confident and motivated as you move forward with your next renovation repair project or real estate transaction. So check out the videos and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss any new content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.